Quer descer da mesa, fazendo favor?
Que tu say? Que tu say, homeboy?
Get down.
Go find something to do. YouTube, what's going on? Your weekend gardener here, back in the melon. I don't know what melon trellis. That's what we're gonna call it. Saw this earlier today. It lets me know that this melon is ready. Look at that, golden yellow. Funny thing about it wasn't this color a day or two ago. This is the Madhu Ras, and Madhu Ras stands for honey melon. It's supposed to give a honey scent. I do smell it. It smells pretty good. So stay tuned. We're gonna crack this open tomorrow. Join us. See you in a few. It's the next day and we have our Madhu Ras. A melon Madhu Ras, like I said earlier. Back up, homeboy. Really, dude? Madhu Ras means in India, it means honey melon. Trying to do a video here, homeboy. Okay, so here's our Madhu Ras. Like I said yesterday, it actually fell off the vine, which indicates that it was ready. When I saw it a few days ago, it was green, and I didn't think it'd ever turn this color. But we're back for a taste test, and this time we got a bigger knife. We don't get the little puny knife anymore. So we're gonna cut this open and hopefully someone doesn't dive on the melon. Wow, that was an easy cut.
Yeah.
Ooh, show everybody inside.
Look at that. Oh, someone.
Homeboy.
Sorry, guys. Oh,
That dog. Woo.
no. Vai pra lá.
Yeah, va pra lá.
Romeu, no.
Wow, this looks like it came from the store.
So fresh.
And you know, when I was little, my mom used to always get cantaloupe. That's what this looks like. And I didn't like cantaloupe.
Really? Smell cantaloupe. Don't smell watermelon.
No, it's not a watermelon.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Let me know. Oh, you eat, okay, I'm about to say you eat the skin and everything, huh?
Amazing, guys. Amazing. Fresh, tasty, sweet. It's not so sweet, but
Okay.
it's perfect. On point.
Does it taste like honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And no, you didn't say it's on point.
Yes, taste like honey.
I know some people put sugar on their cantaloupe. I never understood that. If I want something sweet, I want it sweet. I don't want salty.
Yeah.
All right, what's your number?
My number is 10.
10? Well, it's extremely juicy, I can say that.
I can't stop eat.
It does taste like a cantaloupe a little bit.
Yeah. But can you taste honey?
No honey.
No.
It's okay.
Ah, okay.
I mean, presentation, it gets a 10 for presentation. And you know, growing your own, and you don't have to go to the store to buy this, and you don't see this in the store anyway.
Yeah.
I give it maybe about a 7.
7?
Yeah. I mean, juiciness. No. Yeah, you can have that piece, homeboy.
Vai pra lá, neném.
Yeah, papa lá. I mean.
Papa lá.
That don't make no sense.
No.
You know you're not supposed to eat the rind, right, homeboy?
He don't care.
I don't think I've seen anything this dog won't eat. So you give it a 10, I give it a 9. I mean, it's not bad. I guess I anticipated more sweetness.
Ah, okay. Because the honey thing.
Yeah, I thought honey, so I thought sweet. So I'm going to give it a 7. It's not bad. I mean, would I grow this again? Yeah, I would grow this again. I have about 4 or 5 more growing.
It's coming.
Yeah, they will be here probably in about a week or 2. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Madhu Ras, and this is from India. And the name of the city in India, I will put in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace. Oh, he actually behaved. I expect him to act way more wilder than this.
Yeah, he behaved in the end after 2 pieces of melon.